Okay, this is my customized and personally engraved Swiss Army type knife, multi-purpose. It was engraved by my niece for my birthday. Love, Kayla, EH. It's chrome, it's nice, it has everything under the sun. It needs a little WD-40 and a little care, but essentially it's pretty sharp. It's pretty solid Swiss Army type knife. I've used it quite a bit over the years. It's about 7 years old now, and I keep it in my car. It's with me all the time in my truck or in my pocket. And it's my secondary EDC, as you might say. And it's pretty stylish. That's it.